Hey everyone, Delphi Trading Group here with our weekly trading and UOA recap that we put out every week to kind of show you guys what we do here at Delphi and why nobody does what we do here. Something a little different that we're doing today, we're going to just kind of take a glance at the IWM. Now, we all know what happened this week. The market's completely tanked before they bounced yesterday. But what we can see here, and again, there's a reason why we're showing you guys this, that the beginning of the week, IWM was up here near 246, 245, kind of chopping around up here before the drop down to roughly 233. Okay, SPY was up over 680, 684. This actually dropped as low as, I believe, 663. Okay, so again, we're showing you guys this for a reason, but let's jump into the Delphi room. Okay, this is where we do all our amazing work in our Discord. And here's our Discord. And again, all our trades are posted and journalized. We are in our week in review channel. Again, we post all our trades here that we take, and they are journalized. The Delphi signal trades did roughly 1.44%, a really good week for the signal, going 2-1. Okay, overall, you can see here we squeaked out a green week, almost about 1%, which was really amazing because we started off the week actually with 3 losing trades over the weekend into Monday, and from that point on, we had 10 straight winning trades in a row. So it took us from a red week to a green week, which we're really, really happy about because, again, it didn't start out well. And amazing win percentage here, 77%. Again, kind of looking at how the week started. Again, we started off with 3 losing trades here. SMR was unfortunate because we bought this one here at $1.05. These were puts. We saw incredible put buying in these hyperscaling stocks, which we'll show you in a minute. But SMR is one of those. And we got in at $1.05. It dropped Monday, unfortunately, and we got stopped out at 20 cents. Why do I say unfortunately? Because these ended up getting over $5 this week. So just bad luck with what happened on Monday. But again, started out the week 0-3, and then after that, it was just nothing but green. So we're really, really proud of what we did here. And again, some of these hyperscalers, A-Lab here we traded. Okay, we had puts there, picked up over 100% there. Crwv, we've been trading a lot in the past couple weeks. We are actually still in some puts for January. Picked up a nice 65% there. We'll show you what some of the UOA did. And again, IWM had puts there that did really, really well. So overall, really happy of how the week ended. And again, we're not just about options trading. Leviathan in the crypto trading channel, just absolutely, no words here. Again, we're starting off here at the beginning of the week, and you can see some of these trades, 124%, another ETH trade, 132%. Again, just a lot of green. XMR, just a complete rocket ship here, 137%. And again, you can see it's just smooth green from Leviathan, again, who just continues to crush it here for our crypto traders, our community, our crypto channel. And, again, even as recent 145% Bitcoin trade. And a lot of these where the markets were tanking, the crypto markets are still taking a beating, and he's just doing absolutely incredible work. So again, shout out to him. And if we go to our UOA channel, again, UOA means unusual option activity. Starting out at the beginning of the week, remember, we just showed you guys the chart. For the past couple of weeks, we've been seeing nonstop index put buying in our UOA channel. Okay, even going back here to Monday, if we look here, again, they were buying puts up here. IWM was at 245. We just showed you that got as low as 233. Okay, SPY, they were buying up here 678, even as high as 680. We just showed you that got down to as low as, I believe, 663. Okay, so you can see why it is so important on what we do here at Delphi. Nobody does what we do here. Again, we're parsing out the UOAs. Again, another SPY UOA was at roughly 679. Okay, so again, we're just scrolling down here, kind of checking out the week. Again, UOA after the close. Not too many people know this, but index puts trade after the close up to 15 minutes. And again, you can see where they were buying these. IWM 244. We just showed you those. Again, got down to 233. $10 drop. SPY 681, 681. And again, these are some huge put buying. 7 million, 7 million, over 7 million. Okay, and again, we talked about the hyperscalers. I mean, nothing short here. IREN, another hyperscaler in the AI data space. They came in about almost $2 million worth of these puts. Stock was at $57. This hit a low yesterday of $43. So again, these things went over way over 10x on these puts on IREN. Okay, and again, nobody does what we do here. Okay, NBIS was another hyperscaler. Crwv that we just showed you. And we're going to get into more Crwv in a minute. But again, this is what we do here, okay, nonstop. And even going into the 12th, they were still buying puts. Okay, look where the SPY was here, 684, 684. IWM, which we just showed you, hit a low of 233 at 246. Okay, so again, just, nothing short of incredible. And again, here's ALAB that we just showed you that we traded. Okay, they came in, they bought these puts at $150 puts at $1.50, $156. This got as low yesterday as $137. That is a $20 drop on these puts. So you can imagine where these went. These went from $285 to $27, over $27, $28. Again, for a 10x hit on ALAB. Okay, and again, let's look at Crwv that we just talked about. Somebody came in and they bought this yesterday. We'll be recording this on Saturday, expiring. Okay, they bought these $100 puts. Stock was at 109. $85 puts again at 109, $1.52 and 490. Well, Crwv hit a low yesterday of $72. Okay, we know that because we cashed out puts yesterday and we're still holding more. Okay, and again, look what just these did. These were the $100 puts. Again, went from $490 we posted, hit almost $28, complete rocket ship. And, these $85 puts, we posted at $1.52. Those almost hit 10x up here for complete explosion. Okay, so if you would have bought these, nothing short of incredible. This is why we say nobody does what we do here at Delphi. Absolutely nobody. You'll find companies out there giving you the option flow data, but they're not parsing it out. They're not posting it for the community and also taking trades on that UOA or option flow. So again, that's it from us. Please like, subscribe, get the word out. We're telling you, our traders, our community is just crushing it week after week. And there's no reason why all you traders out there cannot do the same. So please look at what we're doing, join the group, and you'll see some amazing things what we're doing here. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.